Hello students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. This video TNPSC Maths topic simplification. Simplification problems based on exponent rules. You learn exponent rules, you can easily solve all the simplification problems. Okay, first rule, product rule. A power m. This A is base, m is power. A is base, m is power. So, a power m cross a power n is equal to a power m plus n. In multiplication, base same means you can add the power. For a not equal to 0, m and n are integers. Integers means positive integers, negative integers and 0 all are. First rule that one. Next rule, quotient rule. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. In division, base a means you subtract the powers. For a not equal to 0 and m and n are integers. Next rule, power rule. A power m, the whole power n. Okay, a is base, m is power, another one power is n. So, a power m, the whole power n is equal to a power m into n, mn. Okay, you can write a power mn. So, for a not equal to 0 and m and n are integers. Next one, power of your product rule. A and b, two bases are there here. The a and b, a into b, the whole power m, m is power, is equal to a power m into b power m. You can write a power m into b power m. Power is common for both. Okay. For a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, m is an integer. A and b and the bases are not equal to 0. Compulsory not equal to 0. Okay. Next one, next rule. Power of your fraction rule. A divided by b, the whole power m, okay, is equal to a power m divided by b power m. M is common for both a and b. This is division, fraction rule, okay. A by b is the fraction form. This is a rational form. Okay, rational means in other words of decimal form only. So, a by b the whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. For a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and m is an integer. Next one, important point, important rule is anything power 0, a power 0. A power 0 is equal to 1. That means in generally, anything power 0 is 1. Okay? Anything power 0. 1 power 0, 2 power 0. In lakh power 0, all are 1 only. So, anything power 0 is 1. A power 0 is 1. A is base. Base is anything. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. This is 0 exponent. Next one, negative exponent. A power minus m. This can be written as is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. This is minus m. You can write 1 by a power m. For a not equal to 0, m is an integer. Next one, fractional exponent. A power m by n is equal to, this is root. This is n. N is the root. Nth root of a power m. Okay. Denominator is the root. Nth root of a power m. For a not equal to 0 and m and n are integers. Okay. These rules are very, very important. If you learn these rules, you can easily solve the simplification problems. Okay. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. If you like this video, like and subscribe and click the bell button. Then only you will get my other videos. Thank you.